I want it all, but do I give my all? You are clear that you are committing to something and you keep working towards it. Sometimes we do not give it all because we don't know what it means in the beginning. Hey, I'm Joanna from the Path of Fulfillment, and I'm going to talk about goals today and the 3 choices we have when the results are not there. 1. Quit. 2. Be honest with yourself. Am I giving my all? If not, just do it. And the 3rd choice is, if you are sure that you are giving your 100%, maybe it's time to reevaluate what you are doing, adjust, tweak the plan, and keep going. So let's take a look at what's happening in the 3 choices. 1. When you are quitting, quitting is a perfect way to never get anywhere or to sabotage everything. So the 2nd choice that we have is to be honest with ourselves. When I'm looking at my plan, and this is a good plan, but I'm not following it 100%, then maybe it's time to really stick to it 100% and then see if it works or not. Because very often we have, in weight loss, we have a food protocol, we have a plan what to eat for a week or 24 hours in advance, and we kind of do it for several weeks, but there are no results. And then when we look at what we are doing, it turns that we are not following the plan 100%, that we are snacking here and there, cheating here and there, and we are pretending that this doesn't matter, that this will not really affect anything. Am I giving a little bit, expecting 100% of results? Am I giving 20% or 50%, expecting all the rewards and all the glory? So follow the plan. Be honest with yourself, what you are really doing, and follow your plan. The 3rd choice that you have is, you already know that you are following the plan 100%, but nothing is happening. So maybe this is time to adjust, tweak the plan, and keep going. In weight loss, it may look like this. Maybe it's time to really go 100% no alcohol for several weeks to see if that makes a difference. Maybe it's time to give up dairy for a few weeks and see if that makes a difference. Maybe it's time to change some routines or the way you exercise. So this is amazing how our brain will always follow the direction we give it. For example, if I decide to quit, I'm going to find proof that it wasn't for me. The goal wasn't for me. But if I decide to go all in, to give my 100%, then what happens? Not only I am taking action, I take time to check if I'm doing it right. I ask myself, what else? What else can I be doing? What else am I missing? Actually, I find the things I haven't done before. When I decide to go all in, to give my 100%, my brain starts to look for the thoughts and the feelings that support my goal. I feel more determined and patient, positive and energized. And all the actions that I take from here are so much better. I prove to myself I'm all in.